So in this episode we will see how we can add image to a React application, and that's pretty simple, because if you want to add image in a React application, you can just copy a image link from Google and just paste it inside source. And just before saving this, let me show you how is it looking right now. This is the course, I mean this is the project, this is how it is looking right now. And if I save this and go to browser, now you can see we have the images, but this is showing the same image for both posts. But what we want here, we want dynamic data. So for that, what we will do, just go to this app component, and here let's add another, that will be link. And for link, what I'm gonna use, I'll give this one. Don't forget the commas. And for this one, just leave them empty. We will remove this code and add post dot link here. Now if I save this, as you can see, we have image for the first post, but for the second one we don't have any image. So how we are getting this, just let me show you. So inside our app.js we have a state which contain the arrays of post, where we have this title, description, status and link, and we are sending that state and the data of that state as a properties to this post component. And it's like we are sending this data from a parent component to child component, and here the post component is the child component, and we're grabbing those data here with this dot props. We are outputting those data inside a browser through this map function, which is a JavaScript function to post data dynamically. And now as you can see, this is how it is looking, and that's how we add image in a React application. We added that image link inside our state, and we are sending that from the parent component to child component, and we are outputting this here. So just let me find two more links. So as you can see, I have added two more links in our React application. And if I go to the browser now, you can see that it's showing the title and image, everything. So now what I will do, I will try to bring them in one grid, and for that I'll just go to the post component and just let me see. Okay, so I'll just cut it, this class, and I'm gonna paste it here, save it, and here what I'll do, I'll just cut this key and I'll put it here, and I'll just remove this division because we don't need it. Now if I save this, as you can see, we have this two posts in one grid, because we are using large 6 and medium 6, and for small we are using 12. So if I show you, it's totally responsive, and for the medium tablet view it will behave like this. So that's how we add image. So now I will add one more thing here, and that is if I come here and give it a h1 tag, no me, and I'll give it a class name which will be center. Save this, let's see how it's looking good. I think for now you can change it, that's not a big deal. Let's give it lecture here. Okay, so for now it's looking good. That's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and in next episode we will see how we can create a form and how we can add new post with that form. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you are subscribing to my channel and you are liking this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.